Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video, and I'm feeling much better. If you watched my previous video, you know that I was really sick, so I have been planning to film this video for a while, but because I was sick, I obviously wasn't able to, because this box has been sitting in my living room since I came home from my trip, and I have been dying to open it, but I knew I wanted to style the pieces that are in this box, so I needed my fall clothes, so I needed to switch over my closet. So long story short, that was my last video, and I got sick afterwards. So now that I'm actually feeling better, I am so excited to be opening up this package because it is from Memery, and it sounds like knitwear, and you guys know I'm always on the hunt for new knitwear, so I'm really excited. I've never tried a Memery knitwear before, so I'm really excited to kind of give it a little like first impressions or like little review. It's like Christmas came early. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at these colors. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. You know this color, you guys already know this has been like one of my favorite colors since last year. I have been just gravitating towards this oh my gosh, it is stunning. Oh my, look at this color. Tell me this is not the most perfect tone for my skin tone. I am in love. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. So this one is the Red Cardigan in mint green. And then we have this one. This, you guys know, red is one of my most flattering colors. I don't really wear it as often as I used to, but it is one of my most flattering colors. Oh, and it came with a little card. So cute. Wow. So this is the same cardigan as the one that I just showed you, but in a different color. So this one is the Red Cardigan in red, obviously. But it looks like this, and oh my gosh, I already know I have a skirt that I can pair this with, and it's gonna look so cute. This one is a little bit different. Oh wow, this color is, this kind of reminds me, like this kind of knit reminds me of, have you seen The Age of Innocence? I feel like Vera's character is like, would wear a cardigan in this kind of material. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love this. Look at how beautiful. It is stunning. So this one is the Kristen cardigan in white. Absolutely stunning. Let's see what outfits we can create. Oh my god, look at that. I'm looking on the screen right now, and like these colors just look beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna style some outfits. Okay, so starting with the red cardigan, which would honestly make the most perfect Christmas sweater. I'm going to be styling it with a skirt because it's the first thing that popped into my head. I have this one skirt in mind. Like, how cute would this look? That is like such a cute little winter outfit, and then maybe with a cream blouse, maybe? Like that. So moving on to this mint colored one, which I love this color. You guys know I have been like really gravitated towards this color in particular, and I have a skirt that you guys already seen like a million times, but I feel like it's just gonna match perfectly with it. I mean, tell me that is not like a full-on coordinating set. However, I know that's kind of like an easy pairing, so I'll show you one outfit with this skirt, and then I feel like you could also wear it with other colors. Like, I feel like this color is just so easy to combine with so many different things. Like, for example, this gray skirt, that looks really nice with like a little white blouse. That would be really cute. And then you could also do a cream as well. It looks really pretty. You could also do like this kind of like brown color. I'm telling you, this kind of mint green just matches everything. It's crazy. It just literally goes with every single color. I don't know what it is. You would think that it would be really hard to like mix with, like combine with things, but honestly, it's such an easy color to just like pair with things. I think I'm gonna stick to the other ones because I feel like this one would look really cute with that cream cardigan, which we're gonna be styling next. Moving on to the cream one, which is absolutely stunning. It has these like little double-breasted buttons, and they are so dainty and beautiful. I feel like you could do so much with this cardigan. So for example, I have that one like brown one. I feel like that would be super cute. Ooh, or even this skirt with gray and yellow. That would be really pretty as well. Okay, let's put them on. Tell me this is not the most perfect fitting cardigan I love it. I feel like I always have to like pop out my collar of like every single like cardigan that I wear or sweater. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love cropped cardigans. I feel like this is what I was missing in my life. I have a couple of cropped cardigans, but I don't have too many, so I'm so excited to actually add some more to my collection. It is so cute. Let's see what it looks like when it just opened up. Like, that is so cute. Okay, so since the other cardigans have other skirts to pair it with, I only had one for this one, so I'm going to try it on with another skirt as well. This one is a little bit more Christmassy, but I feel like it'll look really cute with this cardigan, so I'll try this one on too. Get me a giant candy cane. And tell me this is not an amazing Christmas outfit. I am in love. I already know I'm going to be wearing this cardigan all the time, so just I'm warning you, you're going to be seeing it in a lot of future videos, especially in Vlogmas. By the way, yes, I am going to be doing Vlogmas, more on that later, but yeah, I am really, really excited. Oh my god, I love this. Love, love, love. Okay, next one. Okay, so this is the exact same cardigan in the mint color, and obviously fits me to perfection. It is gorgeous. You guys don't understand how much I love these cardigans. Like, I knew I was gonna like them, but I didn't think I was gonna like them this much. Oh my gosh. These might be my new favorite cardigans. Okay, this looks like a complete full set. Like, the colors just pair perfectly. So cute. Again, I have my little white blouse underneath just to kind of break up the colors a little bit, but I think it just looks really cute. So this look is a little bit more sophisticated. I have my little cream 1930s inspired skirt, and I feel like with this little cardigan, it just looks so cute. It's such an easy, everyday kind of outfit. I love how it looks when it's like all buttoned up because it creates kind of like a nice silhouette. You know what I mean? Like, it's just really, really flattering. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like it looks really feminine and really, really cute. Okay, so this outfit is a little bit more casual. I just have like a plain gray skirt on, which I feel like they're really, really easy to find. I found this one at a thrift store, and it just kind of has like a 1940s kind of fit to it, very, very casual. And then paired with this little cardigan, it just kind of like elevates it, and it does give it more of a 1940s feel to it as opposed to like a longer cardigan. I have my little white blouse underneath, of course. I feel like I always wear like white blouses, especially in the winter time, but yeah, I think it looks really, really cute, and I can already tell I'm going to be wearing this all the time. I feel like this is going to be like a really go-to running errands day-to-day kind of outfit, because this is what the kind of thing that I like to wear in the winter. Just like a wool skirt, a wool cardigan, a blouse. That is like my go-to. So for this outfit, I actually changed the blouse to a more cream colored one because this cardigan's a little bit more on the cream side, and I love the way that it looks with this skirt. I love the double-breasted buttons here, and then there's like little buttons on the skirt as well, so I feel like it just pairs perfectly. I love this cardigan. It reminds me, like I said, of Testament of Youth, Vera's character. Oh my god, did I say Age of Innocence earlier instead of Testament of Youth? I feel like I did. I meant the Testament of Youth. And I feel like this is just something that she would have worn in the movie, in the beginning of the movie. I just think it's so cute. I love the way that it looks with this color of skirt. And it's just so feminine and dainty. I love little details. And if you guys see the little like detail on the buttons, it is just so beautiful. So this is the last outfit that I'm going to be showing you, and I have yet to wear the skirt because I didn't know what to pair it with, and I think this is the perfect cardigan to pair it with, because I feel like when I was just wearing it with a blouse, it was missing something, because this skirt is just so warm. Like, it's like wool obviously, and it just looks very like wintry, so I feel like just having a blouse looked a little bit too like spring. So I feel like with this cardigan, I found the perfect outfit. I'm going to be wearing this all the time. I kept looking at this skirt in my closet, and I was like, oh my god, I want to wear it, but I have nothing to wear it with. So now I actually have a perfect cardigan to pair it with. I mean, how could you not love this cardigan? So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. However, before I sign off, I just wanted to give a little bit of a review. And as you can tell from the entire video, I am absolutely in love with these cardigans. I mean, they are just absolutely stunning. I feel like the one thing that a lot of reproduction brands don't really get right is the colors, like the tones of the clothes. And I feel like these ones, like this green, this particular shade of red, this cream color, I feel like it's very authentic to like 1930s, 1940s, and 1950s as well. It is just absolutely amazing. The fit is incredible. Like, I feel like I have such a hard time finding clothes that actually tailor in on the waist, and I feel like it's so flattering, especially when you're wearing like longer skirts, because if you wear a long cardigan, you kind of start to look a little bit like a grandma, if you know what I mean. Like, I feel like if you do wear that period of clothes, like in that time period, it's really easy to kind of go into grandma librarian kind of fashion. I feel like this just looks a little bit more put together, a little bit more authentic as well. So I really, really love that. Also, they are 100% wool, so something to keep in mind, you do have to hand wash them. However, I feel like the benefits kind of outweigh that because it's going to keep you so warm. And living in Canada, that is like super important. I obviously want to be warm, so I feel like 100% wool is much better at keeping me warm, as well as it's going to last a lot longer. Like, I can just tell from the quality of these cardigans that I could wear these on an everyday basis and they're going to last for years, which is so important because I feel like nowadays with fast fashion, like, you buy something and you don't really want to wear it too often because you feel like after a couple of washes it's going to fall apart anyway, but you want to keep the item because you like it, obviously. So I feel like these ones, I can wear them on like an everyday basis and I'm gonna have them for years to come, which is so important, much more sustainable than any other brand. So thank you so much, Memery, for sending me these beautiful cardigans. I know I'm gonna be wearing these all the time, and now I feel like I need to get a pair of Memery shoes. I feel like they are more known for their shoes, but their cardigans are honestly out of this world. But I feel like now that I have some cardigans, maybe I should test out one of their shoes. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, let me know in the comments below which of these cardigans is your favorite. Which color did you like the best? Which outfit did you like the best? Let me know in the comments below, as well as don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!